In this video, let's talk about how to use the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. Welcome back everyone to this new video. Now, in order to use this portal, you'd be able to use it within the mobile app of Chase. All you want to do is select the card where the benefits and rewards is enabled. And once you're inside of that specific card, you should be able to come across a similar section which says benefits and rewards. Now, in order to use the rewards, you can simply tap on the book travel option that you'll be able to see on the right hand side. Now, once you're done that, there are a bunch of things that you can do, such as you can book hotels, you'll be able to book flights, and as well as rent cars. So depending upon what you want to do, as I said, you can book experiences, you can book flights, as well as hotel rooms. Now, if you don't want to do any of this, the last thing that you can do is simply receive the cash back or the statements credit, where you can redeem it, all of it as bonus, and all of the bonus would be added in as balance within your Cash App card. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.